Hi guys, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. So in previous tutorial we have inserted some text in our document. Now in this video lesson we will learn how to format that text using some tools provided by Font Ribbon. So I have written I love my India. India is very large country. It has actually, here is the typo, it has given many great personalities. I have inserted this text and I have also set various font options to this text. Now let's see how you can change color of this text. To change color of this text, first select the text of which you want to change your color. For example, I want to change the color of this I love my India to red. So first select that much text and go to this color option, font color. If you hover over on this option, it will give you tooltip, that font color. Click on this down arrow and it will pop up some colors from which you can select particular color. So I am selecting this red. So as you can see, now color of my text is changed. It is very easy to change color. Microsoft provides very intuitive user interface to make things happen. So this is it. Now I want to change the color of this India is very large country to orange. So that's it, and one more color of blue. So as you can see, now I have changed my text to three colors, red, orange and blue. Sometimes you need to give a background color to your text. For example, this color is not very highlighted, so I want to give background color to this text. So first select that text and go to this background color option or text highlight color and click on this drop down arrow and select the color of which you want to give background. I am selecting this blue, and as you can see, now my text is highlighted. So this is how you can give background color and color to your text. Now let's see subscript and superscript. Sometimes you need to write like this 10th, then this th is called superscript, but sometimes things happen that this superscript is not automatically inserted by Microsoft Word. Then you have to specify superscript or subscript manually. You can do it by this option, subscript and superscript. So I am writing this 10th and select particular text and add subscript or superscript command. I am giving it to superscript. So as you can see, my text is changed to 10th, 10 and th on upper side of particular digit or text. So this is how you can use superscript and subscript. If you want to strike through your text, means it will cancel your text, then you can use this strike through option. So select particular text and click on this strike through option. It will write lines on selected text. So these are the color option, highlight option, subscript and superscript option in Microsoft Word. So that's it. We will be learning more about in further video lessons. Till then, thank you very much.